Carson, do you want to tell them what we're going to be doing today?
Yeah.
What are we going to be doing today?
We're going to eat pancakes.
All right, that's right. We're going to do a mukbang with pancakes from IHOP. They're going to be eating silver dollar pancakes. Go. Say your grace. Grace. God is good. Let us by his we shall be fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. All right, go ahead and eat. Caleb already started. Is it good?
Yeah. Hey, step forward.
You need a fork? Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right, let's put some syrup on it. Some hot syrup. These are pancakes. Your mukbang. Silver dollar pancakes.
Still one pancake.
Silver dollar pancakes. How is it?
Good.
Is it good? Okay. So while you enjoy your silver dollar pancakes from IHOP, Mommy's going to ask you and Caleb some questions. Okay, Carson? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. First question. How old are you?
4.
4. Say, I am 4 years old.
4 years old.
Well, when is your birthday?
July 6th.
That's right. You just had a birthday, July 6th. You just turned 4. Carson, do you know how old Caleb is? How old is Caleb?
3.
You think he's 3? Oh, okay. Well, tell me this. How old is Gma? How old do you think Gma is?
8.
You think she's 8? Okay.
How about Papa?
How old do you think Papa is?
4.
How old?
6.
You think he's 6?
Yes.
So Papa, Caleb's eating. You need to eat.
That's not bad.
Caleb, don't stick it all in your mouth. All right. Carson,
Yes.
what does Mommy do for a job? Do you know what Mommy does for a job? What do I do for a job? I do what? I finish working. Where do I work at?
Computer.
I work on the computer. Oh. Is it good, Caleb? So Mommy works on the computer. That's true. What's your favorite color, Carson?
Red.
Red. You like the color red?
Yeah.
That's good. Let me give you something to drink. Here you go. Oh! Wait! The cup wasting. Hold on. I'm sorry. The cup is wasting. Wait, the cup is wasting. My bad. I'm sorry. The cup is wasted. My bad. Is it good now? Sorry. That's my fault. I'm sorry. Sorry, Caleb.
That's okay, Mommy. That's my 10 commandments.
The 10 Commandments? Okay. What do you want to be when you grow up?
That will be a firefighter. I want to get the dogs. The tree.
The cats in the trees, not the dogs. You want to get the cats in the trees?
Yes.
You want to be a firefighter?
Yes.
Okay. Good. What is Daddy's first name? Do you know your daddy's name?
I don't know.
What's Daddy's name?
Gregory.
Gregory. Good job. Good job. What's Mommy's first name?
Johnson.
My name is Lakeisha Johnson?
Yes.
Oh, good job. You know a funny word?
Yes.
What's a funny word?
Happy.
Happy is a funny word?
Yes.
Oh. What car are you going to drive when you grow up?
A Piazza.
What kind of car you going to drive?
The Piazza, I just said stop.
You going to drive a police officer?
Yeah, he said stop, sir. Yeah, get tickets.
You going to give people tickets?
Yes.
And be a police officer?
Yeah, he said stop. The red means stop.
Red means stop?
Yeah. I love pancakes.
You love pancakes?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I didn't know how to talk.
Caleb don't know how to talk?
No.
Caleb, do you know how to talk? How old are you, Caleb? 1?
Yeah, you won.
You 1?
Carol. Carol, ready for your food.
Are you 1? Yes. Say yes. I'm 1 year old.
Hi guys. Then I keep causing this.
Brother. This is my brother.
Yeah! Brother, Caleb.
And what are we going to be doing today? Carson, you want to tell them what we're doing today?
Yes.
What are we going to be doing today?
We're going to
Carson, what are we going to be doing today?
I'm going to eat pancakes.
Hey, guys.
Hey guys.
Subscribe
Subscribe
to my channel.
to the channel.
Peace.